Welcome back to Bennett's World. Today we are doing
Lego Master Challenge.
And before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, and let's get into this video. But before this, where's our stuff? So we got this huge big bucket of Legos. Alright guys, and this is what we're building. Tanner?
I'm building a car.
Lizzie?
I'm building a whole house.
And I'm building a monster movie scene.
Wow! Oh, I need a dog.
Okay?
Are ready?
Yeah!
You're on the time limit.
Okay.
How long?
Till I get tired.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Ready?
gonna be for a long time.
Ready,
Set.
set,
Go.
go.
Okay.
What is this doing here?
I don't know. Ow.
So guys, what I'm doing is
I'm making wheels. Look at that, already made wheels.
so what I'm doing is I'm making a monster like that's lava.
Ooh.
So then I can so I'm trying to put black and like gray for ash theme, and I have it on sand.
Ooh, this is
It looks pretty cool in it.
Daddy, could there be a two-wheeler car? Like, could there
A
be?
motorcycle.
Well, yeah, but I just can't right now. I can't really find any.
then build some with Legos.
Yeah, what she said.
Smart thinking.
So this is my hero of the monster site.
Yeah. I'm making a really tall dude. In the haunted house.
Okay.
He can bend. Da. Okay.
This is what I'm working with right now.
Congratulations, man!
Oh, this will look so cool.
And then she is at the haunteds. And haunteds and million haunteds.
Palette.
Yeah, this is called Jeffrey, yeah. He does
Oh, look
not
at his
put a
face.
hat.
My name Jeff.
Let me see.
But guess what?
Oh.
But guess
Black,
what?
clear.
Guys, this is Go Jeffrey. He does not put on a fire hat, so yeah. No light.
My guy has a secret man in the bottom of his car.
Oh, this is good. Pants.
Okay, now I need to get to get a little flat piece.
And this is the guy what got it a toy.
You need this?
Oh, thanks. Carter, when are you gonna make a monster?
I'm making him.
It's gonna take an hour for you to
I think I'm almost done.
I think I'm almost done. Oh my gosh, no pink. No purple. Good.
Where's the piece?
What piece?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done.
And done.
Oh my gosh. Stop.
I'm done.
I couldn't find a
You did.
I want to do
So
one second.
this is the one thing. Her grandpa died here. Also, they are grandpa's friends. So this is the grandpa who died. This is the uncle that died. That is her friend that died because he killed. And then the dog is trying to save.
I think you've been watching too many scary movies.
Oh, and this is the thing where they knocked over. This is one of their friends. These are just two werewolves. What are just disguised as humans. And this house was built in 2018.
Awesome.
That means I was not that long ago.
Alright, so this is my action monster movie. So, this is our hero, Fire Knight, and this is a lava person. So he built this contraption to move him around since his hands. So it moves him, but he's going to run, pull this, and he's going to pull it off like that, and then he falls off, and he can't move, and then throws him into lava.
And the day is saved.
By who? The Lava Man?
Knight. The Fire Knight. Weren't you paying attention?
No. I was just looking at my really
Awesome mail truck.
This is the
Mail truck.
the future car with race looking thing on the front. This is a mail, so all the stuff can. So
It's a mailman?
no, it wasn't the mail. That's not what I was. It was just mail. So when the guy comes, he can put the mail in here, and then
Oh my
he can just drive off. And then this is just the front of it. It's a string, and
That's deja vu.
it's a string, and it's a portal, and he time travels with this car, and inside is a stormtrooper what lost his arms. he's just a wiggling stormtrooper.
How does he drive?
He doesn't. He just uses his mind. So he used his mind to make this.
A
And-
mail truck.
Yeah. I think I would probably be improved to be the Lego Masters.
That's your
I think I would probably get the golden brick first try.
Thank you guys so much for watching Lego Masters Jr. If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below.
And we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
And which one
Peace.
is the best?